In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to export Klaviyo profiles. Whether you're managing a large list of contacts or simply need to back up your data, exporting profiles from Klaviyo is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the Settings section. You can find this option in the main navigation menu, usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it, and a new menu will appear. From here, select Account. This is where you'll manage various settings related to your Klaviyo account. After clicking on Account, look for the Account Management option. This section contains all the tools and options you need for managing your account information and exporting data. Click on Account Management to proceed. Now, you should see a new layout page with different sections. What you'll need to do next is scroll down until you locate the section labeled Export Account Data. This is where you can choose which type of data you want to export from your Klaviyo account. In the Export Account Data section, you'll see an option for profiles. This is what we're focusing on today. Right next to the Profiles option, there should be an Export button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click the Export button, Klaviyo will begin the process of compiling your profile data into a downloadable format. Depending on the size of your profiles list, this may take a little time. Klaviyo will notify you when the export is complete, and you'll be able to download the file directly from your account. Now, a quick tip, make sure you have the necessary permissions to export data from your Klaviyo account. Some accounts might have restrictions based on user roles, so if you run into any issues, double-check your access level or reach out to your account administrator. Additionally, keep in mind that exporting data involves handling sensitive information. Always ensure that you're complying with data protection regulations applicable in your region, such as GDPR for European users or CCPA in California. And there you have it, you've successfully exported your Klaviyo profiles. Remember, regular data exports can be a good practice for maintaining backups and ensuring you have access to your contact information, even outside the Klaviyo platform. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out other Klaviyo tutorials on our channel. We cover a variety of topics to help you make the most of your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting.